Hello, everyone. This is Zixiao Deng. Today, I'm gonna present my study. The title is Effects of Soy Protein Concentrate Replacing Animal Protein Supplements on Growth, Performance, and Intestinal Health of Natural Pig. And my mentor is Dr. Sung King. So we know winning stress is the most stressful event for natural peak, and the bad growth performance in the natural period will negatively affect the growth performance in growing and finishing period. So to relieve these adverse effects resulted from the winning stress, we usually add some animal protein supplements in the natural diet. So soybean is a more economical uh, plant protein supplement compared to animal protein supplements, but it contains some anti-nutritional factors. So maybe SPC, soy protein concentrate, is a better choice. So on the slides, uh, on the right side of the slides, you can see the process of the manufacture of SPC. It has a lot of good characteristics like low level anti-nutritional factors, high protein concentration, and high digestibility of amino acid. So our hypothesis is SPC can replace certain types of animal protein supplement without affecting intestinal health, nutrient digestibility, and growth performance of natural pigs. To test that, our objective is to test the effects of SPC replacing major animal protein supplements on growth performance, intestinal health, nutrition digestibility, and the microbiome of natural pigs. So we separate 48 newly weaned pigs into four treatments. The first one is control. It's composed of basal diet and some animal protein supplements. The second treatment is RFM. It's the control diet without fish meal. The third one is RPM. It's the control diet without poultry meal. The fourth one is RBP. It's the control diet without blood plasma. And also we measured some parameters like growth performance and AID, apparent ileal digestibility, and oxidative stress and immune status, and mucosa associated microbiota and intestinal morphology. From the result, we can see the growth performance is not affected among treatment. The body weight, ADG, ADF didn't change. And also the AID, the apparent ileal digestibility, uh, was not affected among treatment. So from this slide, we can know immune status. It's not affected. It's significant affected among treatment, but it will change a little bit in the RFM treatment. And also Ki67, it's not affected by among treatment. The only different thing is about gut microbiota. So at the final level, we can see RPM. This treatment, this peak in this treatment decreased the proteobacteria and increased the firmicutes. So we can know this is our conclusion. SPC could replace animal protein supplements in natural diet without affecting growth performance, intestinal health, and digestibility. And also, particularly SPC replacing poultry meal enhanced the balance of the jejunal mucosa associated biota by reducing proteobacteria and increasing firmicutes. Thank you. Thanks for your time and thanks for listening. I hope you have a nice day.